Hello guys. This video is targeted to people that likes watching Hannah Montana, which I do believe is like a TV show about a girl who's always likes to sing. But I was like recommended to try out this operating system by lots of people, so I'm gonna give it a try. So basically, this is a Linux distribution. If you guys want to learn more about her or the TV show, then you guys can hear it's just Disney stuff. So basically, it is about Millie Stewart, an average teenager girl lives in a double life as a famous pop singer named that, and constantly tries to conceal her true identity from the public. So guys will be able to read more about it over here on their Wikipedia page or something like that. But I'm not going to be bothered with that. To be honest, I did watch some YouTube videos about her singing though, and she's pretty good. To be honest, I like her singing. Anyway, guys, I'm not going to talk about singing because I've been told by lots of people recommended to try out this operating system, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start it right now. I've set it to be Linux 2.4 version because it won't work on Linux 64-bit. I have to make sure there's 2.4 in it. And I was going to get a kernel panic, and basically I gave it a little bit more RAM. Maybe lower than that, doesn't really matter how much you give it. So what I would do is go to display, make sure my video RAM is up, yep, and everything looks fine. Okay, so what guys can do is start it by pressing on this button, and you guys should be able to see it start loading now. So basically, English we want, and then we could try out it without making any changes to our computer, or can install Montana Linux, check disk for deflex, test memory, boot from a hard disk drive. I would go for the first one, and then from here what you guys can do is be able to wait for this to load. Shouldn't take that long to load, maybe around 1 to 2 minutes. Okay guys, so what I'll be doing right now is possibly pause this video, and once it has been loaded, I'll be back. Okay guys, so we should that's just awesome music. I don't know if you guys heard that, but there was just music playing, so I got interrupted by that. Anyway guys, so once you have been booted up to the screen, we'll be able to do stuff such as by pressing the window key, then it should open up this, and this is basically a very good setup for a web browser. So I don't know what web browser it's running, maybe Firefox. It doesn't look like Firefox at all. I don't quite know what, I think this is based on Ubuntu. Okay, can I open up a terminal? Oops. Okay. But doing Control-Alt-T. Wait, that didn't do anything. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to do right now is try to install it and then see if that will be successful, because I really want to install this operating system for some reason. Okay, so I like this animation though, it's pretty nice. So welcome, we're ready to install once you answer 4 questions. Oh gosh, you're gonna collect data from me. Okay, we can go to forward, and this should allow it to go forward. So this is where we can set up a country. So for my case, I'm in the United Kingdom. It's right there. And then from here, what you guys should be able to select is UK keyboard layout, and then we can go forward. You can test it through here as well. Okay. So it should use the entire disk, so we want to use that. So go to forward, and then from here we should be able to basically, I do believe you have to make our own user. Okay, what is your name? I would like to call myself Lily, because this is a woman. This is like a girl's desktop. Lily Frogs. I mean, whatever. I don't care. Now I can put down my password as whatever I want it to be. For my case, I'm going to set it as a weak password. What is the name of the computer? This computer, non-supported OS. So you can set up as non-supported OS. Log in automatically. Yes, we can log in automatically. And now go to forward. And the host may only contain, okay, non-supported OS. Okay, now we can go to next. Okay, so this is ready to install, so just click on to install, and it should start to install the actual operating system. look at this actually theme. It actually does look very nice though. Okay, I just want to minimize this. Maybe I just do that. Okay, cool. So this what now is formatting these petitions. So this might take a while. So what I will do right now is possibly just pause this video, and I'll be back once everything has been formatted. Okay guys, so this session has been completed. Yay! And now what you guys could do is restart now or continue testing. I'm going to just exit from this like this, and what I'm going to do right now is just select the actual ISO file, so that way it doesn't always boot up to the ISO file, otherwise it's going to get an annoying mess. So I'm going to go here, we have to go to settings now by clicking onto settings. Hold on, can I exit? Yeah, and now we can go to settings. I have to unattach ISO file. Okay, go to storage, and now I can just delete it, and now what should happen is that we should be able to boot up to the actual Hana Linux. So let's go to start, and then we should be able to boot up. So yeah, let's see how awesome it is once we boot up. Bootloader. Okay, so it's going to boot up right now. That's pretty awesome. So loading, please wait. Okay, and then we just set this as full screen, so that way guys will have the best experience. Okay, so looks like it's booting up successfully. There's that weird glitch, but that's completely fine. By the way guys, this operating system is no longer supported, so get any security updates or any software updates at all. Everything comes old. So the reason why I'm testing this out is because I just really want to try it out to see what people like about it. For load, it shouldn't take that long to load because it's like a very old operating system. It should load up instantly. Okay guys, so it might take a while for it to boot, I guess. I'll just pause this video. Okay guys, I was able to get it on, so right now it has booted up. Yeah, we can play that music. Okay, so what guys could do is basically go over here, and this is where you can search off applications. So this is a web browser. I never heard of this web browser before, but can it play YouTube videos? How would it do that? And if we go to YouTube.com, then will that allow me to watch any first server failed the certificate has expired. Okay, would you like to accept forever without I guess, okay, so forever. Okay, cool. So I guess for server failed application text details. Okay, so it looks like the web browser is having some issues here. I don't quite know what is having issues. Why? Okay, I'm going to exit from this web browser. I don't quite know what's going on. It shows up these bunch of the server errors. Okay, so this is basically where our files will be stored on. So guys can basically go to home and then go to documents and maybe add a new document, go to a new folder and call it like college work or something like that. If you go to college and so on. Gosh, this is so ugly. I'm not gonna lie. Look how odd this looks. I'm not a big fan of this at all, even though it's pink and purple, which is awesome, but I'm just not really a big fan of these icons. It just looks so outdated. I mean, I do like for window manager, I just don't like icons. Okay, so so we can definitely create a new text folder here, I guess, text file, and can call it whatever we want, and it should be saved here. We can open it like this. It uses Kate. Kate is cool. We all love Kate. Okay, so basically, personal information manager. There's system settings, so you can look over here and see there's in a good system settings. They have some fonts installed, that have display that you can add to remove software through here. Good software updates, distribution upgrade available for latest stable release. So we can definitely upgrade it through here. So upgrade to trusty 14.04.6 long-term support. There's also some software manager, there's some settings here, and so on. So it's basically failed because I don't think I'll be able to upgrade to that because I think the servers are no longer supportive. But there's basically, we can also go to instant messages, messenger, if I have any friends. In that case, I don't, so I don't have any friends at all, which is sad. I see. So this is this view. I see. So this is a favorite, and this is the actual applications that we got. So they have a terminal here, right? Do they have a terminal? Let me just search up for a terminal. Okay, maybe command prompt. I don't think they have anything to do with the terminal, which is a bit sad. Recently used. So this is our first stuff that I recently have used. This web browser, which I never heard of. There's this applications from here. So archive tool, what's that? So if we create new, I see. So this is yeah. Okay, I see. It's to extract files. So if I go to the appearance settings, then can I change a wallpaper? Folder view, that's actually epic. Okay, can I change a theme to oxygen? Oh wait, you can go for a new theme. There was an error loading data providers. Okay, that's not a problem. So we can go for a slideshow if we wanted to, or I can go for color. I want to go for slideshow. Apply. Okay. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. We just gotta love this. Okay, so basically, you can show up for icons. This is calendar basically, so we can do whatever we want here. This is kind of up to date. This is a sound, so you can put up a sound if you very want it high, or you can turn it off if you don't like sound. And I guess this is a full upgrade now, and we can upgrade if we wanted to, which I'm not gonna do. Software updates, there's none here. Apply also available updates. No, cancel. Okay, good. Okay, so basically, there's not really much to say from here because I don't really have much pre-installed. I also don't have a terminal, so we can't really install Firefox. So this is help. So this is like a user guide about KDE Help Center. So we can go to about Kubuntu, which is, I believe, this whole desktop environment is based on Kubuntu. So you guys should be able to read through this if you wanted to. It uses KDE as well. This is just a customized version of KDE. This is a network, so you should be able to do that. Let's do Ethernet. Okay, so this is devices that are currently plugged in, and then I guess this is like basically an upgrade to Kubuntu 14.04.6 available to download, and we can also use this switcher to switch to another workspace. And then from here, widgets dashboard. So I guess this is to add widgets, which is pretty cool in my honest opinion. We can hide dashboard or do whatever we want here. Okay. That's actually pretty nice. You can go to root directory, and now what you can do is delete everything. But first you want to delete key. Can I compress everything? Compress to APK. Okay. Save. Failed to permission might not be okay. Cool. Good thing that it does have security when it comes to that. This does a VM, by the way, so if I do damage something, it's nothing serious. Okay, so what you guys can do right now is probably just go to yeah, that's basically I'm going to leave right now. We can switch to another user, or we can log out, or we can lock the screen. But I'm going to just shut down, and then oh gosh, this is okay. Now I can shut down like this, and there's that ending music playing. Pretty good, in my honest opinion. Okay, everything is saying okay, good. So everything should be shutting down now. Unable to allocate ID device, no such file or directory. Okay, that's weird. I don't really care about that though. Okay guys, so my review about Hanya Linux. So basically, I really do like the operating system. It does look nice. Obviously, for icons needs some form of improvement, but this is like based on a very old version of Kubuntu, so I don't really care about that. But I really did enjoy messing around with it. Would this be good for beginners or everyday use? No. Reason for that is because nothing here is up to date. In my honest opinion, I think this was actually made as a hobby, basically. It's not really made for anything big. But you guys should be able to try out in a VM. I just wouldn't recommend this for everyday use because most of the softwares on here are out of date. So, yeah, everything here is out of date, so we won't be able to install anything like Firefox or GNOME disks or whatever we could think of. We won't be able to install it because there's no terminal, and also because it probably needs like a newer kernel anyway. So anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please say down in the comments what you think about this operating system. Anyway guys, I'll see you all next time. Bye.